But to be honest, okay naman yung lasa niya. And
Okay lang, okay lang.
nahiya. Nahiya naman ako.
What?
Sweet.
Do you like it?
It's not bad, no. It's,
Oh, it's not bad.
It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Tastes like
Thank you,
a
thank you.
pudding. Thank you.
Ano strawberry yan?
Saktong tamis lang po. Tapos, very generous po sa ano. Sa buong matayong. Soy.
Soya.
Soya.